Welcome back. So, where I left off, different ethnic and cultural groups may hold views about the importance and timing of developmental milestones that are different from Erickson's. And he doesn't account for different ethnic group developmental tasks. Sandy's situation can be grouped into one of the limitations of different individual experiences having an impact on the resolution of a particular stage's crisis. This experience was the death of Sandy's father and all of the subsequent events that happened because of it. However, I think it is worth noting that I believe Sandy resolved her industry versus inferiority crisis during stage 5 of Erickson's theory. I believe it was resolved after she was 13, when her mom married my dad's dad. He entered their lives in a helpful, gracious way, she said, and he didn't try and take over. The girls asked what they should call him, and he said whatever you feel comfortable with. They didn't have a man in the house for 5 years, so he had a wing built on the home for the boys to give the girls their space back. He gave them a stable home with love and joy. Since they won the court case, both girls were worth a certain amount each month, and Grandpa didn't touch any of it. Sandy said that he could have used it for their education, health care, food, but instead he invested it for them and they got it all when they turned 21. He treated them like daughters, and she said she never felt like a stepdaughter. She also stated that she only started having good memories after Grandpa. He helped them feel safe and hopeful for good days. He was very spiritual and faithful, and he always told them, life will teach you what God wants you to know. Things got better after Grandpa, and Sandy was in an environment where she could thrive from the love and support that Grandpa had given her. Grandpa also helped Grandma and provided her with the love and support that she needed after the tragedy she experienced years earlier. After Sandy was able to secure her identity in high school, she was also able to resolve the fourth stage of Erickson's theory of development, industry versus inferiority, which we touched on in this presentation. She came out on top and has persevered through every problem and heartache that has come her way. Without this merged family, I would not know my aunt today. And here are a list of the references that I used to complete the presentation. Thank you all for listening, and I hope you enjoyed learning about my aunt as much as I did. Thanks.